There we go.
So we purchased some foreign snacks. And we're about to do this spicy noodle challenge right here. I have no spicy tolerance whatsoever. But okay, we gotta say what we got.
Okay, well we got they're called Ramune drink. Ramune, am I saying that right? I don't know. Drink, and we got the lychee flavor, and we'll see how it goes. It's clear and very weird looking, but I like to open these because they're really fun. On the count of 3, you're gonna smash it.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, that's so cool.
Wait, let me smell it.
Oh, it smells good. It smells like Febreze, low-key.
Yeah, it is Febreze.
Ooh, it tastes like medicine.
It does taste like medicine.
Yeah.
I'm not that mad, but it's
No, I'm not mad. I also have a glass of milk because, as I mentioned, I have 0 spicy tolerance. Are you ready, sister?
I'm ready.
All right.
Ah!
All right,
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
I feel the spiciness.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh my god. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
No, it's not that bad. Like, I can keep eating, but like, it is spicier than I thought.
I tap out.
It's good when you put it in your mouth. I like the flavor, but after you're like, oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We made 4 packs
No.
out of a packet of 5. I'm such a weenie when it comes to spicy stuff. Like, this isn't even like...
Oh my god, I feel it.
This isn't even dramatics. I just am like such a weenie.
Okay, what's the spiciest thing you've ever eaten? This?
Mm-hmm.
I ate an habanero. Just like that. I just did it because just for the shit post. I regretted it. I vomited. I barfed.
Hopefully we don't barf. We have so much. We should make another pack.
Just one, just 2.
Idiots. Oh, shit. Oh.
I don't think I can do it anymore.
Really?
Yeah, it hit me really bad.
We have so much left.
Take one for the team. Oh, it's so good, but
I feel like if we were to water it down.
Yeah, I wonder if people like just for like half of it.
Yeah.
Cause like I can see that.
Yeah. Catch us on the next challenge. The not so spicy challenge.
The enjoyable movie.
Yeah. Come on.
I can't. I will literally vomit.
I'm trying to scoop it. Come on. And then we can move on to the Hello Pandas. We made it to 7, just one tiny scoop. Don't even have to do the, what?
Okay.
Yeah.
Tastes so good. Tastes so
You see,
good.
I'm like, that wasn't so bad.
Yeah, but later
I'm
it's gonna
feeling it
fucking
picking
come.
up, yeah.
I feel like the trick is like to eat it fast.
Oh yeah.
It's like
Your face doing that. Do it.
no, it's just I would, but like the thing is I'm feeling queasy already. I don't want to risk it.
It's just the liquid. There's so much liquid in my stomach already. All right, get this on my f***ing site.
We'll come back to it later.
I know. You'll be picking at it at night.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And now moving on to the Hello Pandas.
Well, we got the vanilla one, and we got the chocolate one. I think I'm rooting for the vanilla one.
Yeah, same. Ready, sister?
Oh, these are so cute.
I haven't had these ever. What's on them?
They're supposed to be like little imprints.
Mine's messed up. Ready? Cheers. You see, the spiciness is gone now.
I know. Do the half.
Anticlimactic.
I could snack on these, like I like them.
The cracker or the cookie, whatever, tastes like a Ritz cracker low-key.
It's like there's some saltiness.
Yeah, they taste like Ritz crackers. Or like animal crackers without the frosting, the regular animal crackers.
Yeah. Wow, Hello Pandas truly were our saviors.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
The spiciness went away.
Yeah, I still kind of feel it.
Yeah.
But
Especially
like,
around my mouth.
That's what I meant by Kylie Jenner whips.
As you guys can see, we failed the spicy noodle challenge. Are you okay?
I am gonna vomit.
Oh my god, okay, let's finish this quickly. As you guys can tell, we failed this spicy noodle challenge.
Miserably. Not even a dent.
Not one single dent, sister, like
No,
2 scoops.
and we're so full.
Oh my god, yeah.
Just because of I drank this, I drank like a shit ton of water, a lot of water.
I drank so much milk.
Yeah, I drank just a little bit, and it's the milk that's making me messed up.
I think overall it was a pretty good challenge. We did okay.
We
did poorly.
very poorly.
We did very poorly.
Very bad.
Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, don't forget, turn on post notifications, especially if you want to see us die again. If you guys want to see another challenge, please comment it down below. If I don't want to do it, then maybe she'll do it.
Yeah,
but,
probably.
Yeah, maybe we can get her tased next time.
Oh, I forgot.
She's like, Truthy. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye. Oh.